Okay, one of the things we have to do while we're here is get groceries, and the Central Market is really cool. It's really old and it's really 20 minutes away, so it's not practical for us to walk up there and get our groceries. The Rusafa Market's also really cool. It's about a 10-minute walk, so that's not practical either. So what we have to do is we have to go to the grocery store, which is about a half a block from our Airbnb, which makes it super convenient.
Yeah. We actually have 2 grocery stores within about 1 block of our place.
And one is cheaper than the other, which is kind of cool. But we like the one we're going to right now, and we're almost there. So first, we have to take the garbage out, which is also right here, and Carrie's gonna run across the street and do that right now. Go, go. Did you get Carrie?
Chocolate. We have to get separate chocolate bars because Brian eats it so fast, and I don't share.
I have to get more hair than she does too, because I don't know hair faster as well. That'd be our choice. 12 pack of beer. Just one?
One for me.
I'll get the other one. Here's our selection too. I don't know how much training can cost in the States, but seems like a pretty decent price to me. Okay, we normally don't take the elevator because this is it.
It's a little snug.
It's a little snug. It's a
gotta get out of the way of the door.
It's a 3-person elevator, but I'm not sure.
It's 225 kilogram total weight.
How much is a kilogram? I don't know, it's snug. And there's no way out. I've kind of tried to see if there's any way to get out of here in case something happened.
But we are super thankful that we do have the option of an elevator.
Yeah.
So we had to take 2 trips up to bring our luggage up.
Very quick, push. Okay, so we're back in the grocery store. We got our beer. Carrie's doing her most favorite thing, cooking dinner. Right? Absolutely.
Not always.
Not always. No, but we do more of this than we do eating out. It's just less expensive, so that's what we choose to do. From here, we're going to eat. It's not very late. It's about 3:30, and then we're going to head up to
Old Carmen District. So Old Carmen District, they're known for their graffiti and the street art, and so we're going to go check that out. It's supposed to be pretty cool.
And fantastic.
Yeah. See what we can find and take some good pictures and hopefully some video and bring that to you guys. And then we're also going to go to the Old Town when it's dark. We haven't done much of that yet, and be able to see the places really go from shut down during the day, and then everything really opens up at night, and a lot of people come out. So we will see
it's getting darker earlier now, though. Yeah. So we're not out as late, so we get home earlier because we don't. We're not party animals.
And we don't stay out very late.
Yeah. night. It's pretty cool. All the lights are out. And yeah, I just noticed that we do match. That wasn't on purpose.
Not at all.
But it's really cool down here. All the lights are out. People are out. Restaurants are open. And it's pretty cool. We'll show you more. Stay tuned.
We're up here in Old Town, and this area is pretty cool because during the daytime all of these shops are closed and you can walk down the streets and there's pretty much nothing open, and then at night you just kind of get all these people come out and all these shops open up.
Everything opens up.
Everything opens up and a bunch of people come out. Right now it's pretty quiet, but it's a Monday night, so it's just a pretty cool place up here.
Monday? It's Tuesday.
Nope, it's Monday.